In this video, I will guide you how to insert row in Excel after each row, and I saw that my friend was doing like this one. So this is pretty time taking process, and let me undo that, how you can make it fast. For this you need to create an extra column on the at the end of the table like helper, and now type the number 1 2 and drag it to the bottom of the table. Now you need to click Ctrl C and paste it at the end of the column. And now select the entire row and go to the home section and click on the filter and click on filter, and now click on this arrow and click on smallest to sort smallest to largest, and here it is. Let delete it, and here you can see that within a few seconds you have added another row after every each row. So I hope you understand. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.